Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change address and location on Revolut. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up your Revolut application. Once I've opened up your application, then log into your account. So I'll just do mine. So I'm going to log in. Alright, so okay, once that's done, so what you're going to do now here is on your top left here, click on your name or your profile. So once you click on it, then scroll down and you will see account option. So click on account. And under account you'll see personal details. Click on personal details. You'll see my screen is blanks out. It's because I'm screen recording it, and due to the security and privacy reasons blank out. But once you click on personal details, you will see address option there. So click on address option. Right, so when you get to address option here, you can change your address here, and then you can change everything except for your country, because country you won't be able to change your country, actual country, because your account is registered to your current country. So at the moment you can't simply change that due to legal issues. So what you have to do, you can only change your address within the country. So if you want to change your country, then you just have to close your account and reopen a new account based on your new country. So that's the only option how you can change your actual country. Apart from that, you can just change your address here and then hit on the done option, and that's it. That's pretty much it is. So hope this video is helpful. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.